at that. High-grade Kobe beef. Oh! Can you hear that sizzling sound? We are going for one of the most expensive beef of Japan. Yes, Kobe beef. Restaurant's name is Shingyu.
It is located here in the middle of the Osaka Dotonbori.
And this is a 1-hour eat-all-you-can of Kobe beef. So now, let's go to the beef paradise. So other foods that also unlimited drinks, sodas, and other side dishes like this one, mushrooms, sausages, and other herbs. So look at that high-grade Kobe beef. Now we're going to start cooking. Oh! Can you hear that sizzling sound? It's a music into our ears. Oh. I think that's 4 types of Kobe beef. Different cuts, different colors. I hope you can really smell. Oh. Can easily get cooked because of thin cuts. I hope I'm cooking it the right way. This is the first time that I'm going to cook and eat this kind of meat of Japan, Kobe beef. I want it medium rare. Oh, the smell. I can't wait to taste it. Smells so good. I wish you guys are all here to smell the Kobe beef and taste this as well. Look at that. So tender. Tender and soft. This is going to be in mouth-watering. Guys, it literally melts into my mouth. It's so soft in the inside. My taste buds are very happy right now. I love Japan. I love Kobe beef. Oishi. Let me taste without dipping it into the sauce. I mean the natural taste. Let's go for it. Let's try this one. Look at that. Super soft. Looks super juicy. Let's go. Try it out. I prefer the natural taste. Oh, it's so good. This is one of my dreams to taste a real Kobe beef here in Japan. And now, it's really happening. I hope this is not a dream anymore.
Look at that. Look at this, how medium rare is this. Nakakatuwa. Ay. It's my first time also to try this one. So alam ko may 3 types of Kobe beef and we're excited to try it. So now let's taste. Because a while ago, Darwin tasted it and I'm excited to. See this? How rare it is. Oishi.
Shout out to Traveloka for making this experience possible. So if you haven't tried booking yet with Traveloka, just download the app Traveloka or go to their website and go to Experience tab and search for other activities like this one. A 1-hour eat all you can Kobe beef here in Shingyu Restaurant. For me, this is the best beef I have eaten in my whole life.
It's heaven.
You only have 2 jobs here. So, one job, you have to cook the Kobe beef, and second one is to eat it. If this is a dream, don't wake me up. Really, it's heaven. Take a look. Really premium, high quality Kobe beef. These are 4 kinds, 4 cuts, but all the same Kobe beef. So you just have to cook it on the grill, I think just seconds or a minute. So you could have a medium rare Kobe beef like this one. When you hear the sizzling sound, you know it's really satisfying. Music into my ears. And one thing that makes me happy that they have a rice here. Rice is also unlimited. You can eat Kobe beef all you want with rice, with different side dishes like this one. We also have a salad, a garden salad. I saw this one from one of the famous food bloggers that I watch. This, I don't know if it's a dessert or a side dish. It's a corn. I don't know what is it called, but I think it's corn tonkatsu. I'm surprised they have it right here, so let's try it out, guys. Corn on the outside, still corn on the inside, but a little gooey on the inside, but it's sweet. Perfect to balance if you're overeating the meat. But we are really looking forward to Kobe beef because this is the gold right on this restaurant. And then it cooks very fast and eat it right away. That's how you eat and cook a Kobe beef here in Osaka, Japan. This restaurant is not crowded like any other restaurants, so still has a little privacy, so you don't have to fall in line and wait for several hours just to eat Kobe beef here in Shingyu Restaurant. Really the best.
Compared to other, I think, food street outside, it's really
getting crowded on other restaurants outside.
And I think it's much cheaper if you're going to take the unlimited Kobe beef compared to the street food outside, because it's really pricey. For 1.8, I think you can get 1 to 3 pieces Kobe beef. But
Right.
in this
Agree.
restaurant, you can have unlimited for 1 hour. Time is gold. And beef is gold.
Really sad. This will only last for 1 hour.
Yeah.
So
We have a time limit over there.
we have to make the most out of it. Eat everything we can as long as we can.
I didn't expect na ganito talaga sa tender. Even if sobrang kapal ng mga cut niya, pero when you're going to taste it.
Last soda. You want me to someone?
Huh? No, we're good. They will put a timer on your
Yeah.
table, so you're aware about the time. So you have to hurry.
Yeah. Nakakabitin. 1 hour lang. Hindi sapat.
Time isn't enough. 1 hour only.
Thank you, Traveloka, for making
Big
this
shout out
happen.
again to Traveloka Philippines. So heads up, guys, order wisely, because if you were not able to consume all the Kobe beef, you'll have to pay for the uncooked or the wasted Kobe beef. So it's better to cook and order what you can consume, so there's no waste, knowing that Kobe beef is super expensive, so you have to respect and eat all of it. Don't waste any meat. It's really gold in here. love Osaka. Arigato gozaimasu.
Thank you for watching all the way to the end. Like, comment, and share. And don't forget to subscribe for more travel and food vlogs.
If you're going to visit Osaka Dotonbori, make sure to eat in Shingyu Restaurant and try their 1-hour eat-all-you-can Kobe beef. It's totally worth it. It's an original, authentic Kobe beef here in Osaka, Japan. So, thank you for watching all the way till the end. And big shout out to Traveloka Philippines for making this experience possible. Arigato gozaimasu.